Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes channel. I am happy to record this video as this video supports a noble cause of donation for charity organizations, and this theme is Fundrise. It is a responsive donation and charity WordPress theme, and this is of course a wonderful theme. This is why it is here in this channel. Theme was developed by Ninjo. They are elite authors and it was developed in 2017, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. This theme is dedicatedly made for NGO and charity donation and fundraising organizations, and it has all the features which is required for NGO and fundraising organizations. So specifically made for the fundraising, and this is why it got named fundraising. And it comes with 10 home pages, 10 different layout of home pages, and all are very good, and you can choose any. This is the home page 1. You can choose any. All of the home pages are specifically aesthetically made for the NGOs and the charity organizations, and they are having bit variations in the layout, but all are very wonderful and well crafted. This is third one, and I'm going to give the link of this demo in the description of this video. In this video we are going to install the Fundraise WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will also import the demo content and also see the customization options available in the theme panel of Fundraise and the how to customize the pages. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which 2021 WordPress theme is installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have the demo content, documentation, licensing, some plugins. So some plugins are here: Fundrise child theme and the Fundrise main theme. For installation we first need to upload the theme, and for this go to the themes of WordPress installation theme section, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose fundraise_theme.zip file, and if you are having direct access on your hosting, you can upload the same file on the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time. Both activities are same, so don't get confused. Either you can upload from here, that is WordPress panel, or directly on the server, which I am doing. And the theme size is 14.22 MB, which is a moderate size, and such size theme works very fast. And I have seen the Fundrise WordPress theme working, and it actually works very fast, and the upload is complete, and the progress was, once the progress bar turns green, we can extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Fundraise folder in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is useless now. Now go to the theme section again, and now we have Fundraise as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Fundraise WordPress theme and it is version 1.15. Activate it please. Upon activation, we got an alert that we need to install certain plugins to run this theme, and I'm going to install all the plugins set which has been recommended. And this theme uses Charitable, Contact Form, Fundraise add-ons, Visual Composer and WooCommerce. So it also support the WooCommerce activity, that is you can do some activities of e-commerce like things, and which we will see in the live website after installation process gets complete. I am installing all the plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one. And if you are going to get the hosting plan with the WP themes, you shall be getting the same capacity server. So rest assured about, you can see how fast it works, and all installation and activation has been completed. We can just go to the dashboard now. It may be redirected on some welcome page. Let us see what happens. So it is going to the WooCommerce welcome setup page, and the WooCommerce installation needs a basic setup after its activation. So I am putting the sample data, and you should put the original one as applicable for you. And here you need to choose the Fundraise, continue with my active theme. No need to install Jetpack at this stage. We can definitely install it on later stage. And now all the plugins and the theme itself is installed. Now we can check the website how it looks with the theme and of course with plugin. And this is the basic look of Fundraise WordPress theme. So at this stage we definitely need to import demo content to make the website like a demo website, so that you may further go for the putting original data. And for demo import, we need to go in the appearance section. Import demo data is here, and there is only one button, import demo data. We can use this for importing demo, so all things will be overwrite, and this is a new installation, so we can simply click on import demo data, and this process may take 4 or 5 minutes depending upon your server capacity. So you have to be here on this page. Don't try to leave or refresh this page. It is going to import all the media files and necessary files. So let the process to be completed. You will reach on this screen when the demo import gets complete, and now we can recheck our website how it looks with the demo content. And here it is, something good is loading up, and of course slider is not here, and we need to import the slider separately as it was written, and everything is here. And the demo content now we have in our website. Now we can import the sliders manually. For this we simply go to the Revolution slider, and click on manual import. Slider has been given in the theme pack, so don't worry, and just click on demo. Slider.zip is here, simply click on open. And it is here, slider is here now, and now slider should work fine. Yes, so we have successfully done the installation and imported the demo content, and now we have ready website with all the home pages with us, which we have seen in the demo. I am randomly checking the fifth one, and this is the website. You can assume how simple it was. So you can choose this theme definitely for your non-profit charity website, as it is very simple to use, easy to install, and the demo was also simple to import, and it serves the objective, meets the objective, and it has all the features. Now I'll take you for a short look of the theme panel and the available features, and after that I will show you how to customize the pages. The theme uses Visual Composer, so it is going to be easy for you. And this is the charitable option. I'll show you one by one what is additional on the theme panel. So members are additional, galleries are additional, so you can use for the purpose it has been made. WooCommerce is here, and the customize option, okay fine, so I'm just looking for the, so this is for charitable is for fundraising activities, and you can run the campaigns here, and I'll show you how campaign looks like. This is the main this is the view of campaign, and you can create campaigns and run campaigns for fundraising activities from this option. And this theme has not given the another option to customize the screen, and the customization option should be in the default customize option of WordPress. Let us see. This is the customize screen going to be open, and these are the features of control for control editing the theme is here only under charitable. So you can definitely handle your requirements, I mean editing sets from here, and all sets of control has been given here. Favicon preloaders and header side style 1 1 2 3 menu extra scroll forms is responsive, okay fine, so everything is here. Home page setting is here, you can choose any of your home page. Top bar can be controlled from here, header and logo can be changed from here, so everything is here only. So you can simply do these activities, whatever you need to change, just click on the subsequent section, and you will definitely will be able to change the contents, and you can simply customize the theme as per your requirement, and you can even use the exactly same layout with your own text and images, and the website will be ready to go live. So it is wonderful theme, of course, and it is easy to handle. And now I can even show you the home page section. one of page you did with the WP Bakery page builder, how you can edit the contents on any page in addition to the control panel options. And this is the front end editor of WP Bakery page builder, and you can simply click on the pencil icon whatever you want to edit, and you will be able to edit the text content and even images used in the demo website. It is so simple, so don't worry, even a non-tech person can do these changes without any challenge. So it is going to be very easy for you. So you are going to create a wonderful website using this theme, and rest assured that you have chosen a great theme. And just in case you get any question, you have any question, so you can write your questions in the comment section of this video, and I will definitely try to help you out. And I'm also going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme, and you can raise your queries there, and the community will definitely support you for installation and demo and customizations options of this theme at your website. So we are here only, and I assume you have already subscribed this channel, and if not, please subscribe and ring the bell so that you may get the wonderful themes, plugins and utilities for you. Thanks for watching.